Hey, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Jay back here again with another reaction video. Today we got another suggested video suggested to me by Bands for Woo K. No, Bands for Wok. I'm lit. My fault. Bands for Wok. I said what's good, buddy. I'm so used to this Twitch shit. By the way, if you see the goal up there, I'm about to hit 100 followers on Twitch. JAY2LITTV _ YTK, man. Definitely litty over there. But yeah, the Brody told me to check out Riff Rebuild. Let's check this out, man.
Have you ever come up with a password so complicated, so you
to go lose it all just to rebuild it again. I had to kick down the walls, I'm in them buildings again. Look what they did when I lost, they won't be here when I win. And she won't give me her draws, I left that bitch in the wind. And I see all fake friends, shit it is what it is. But I can't trip out no nigga, I'm trying to have some more kids. Yeah, that trap still over, that's still how I live. We got them packs in the sofa, we got them racks fucking cold. And they say Riff you fell off, I just got that AP, and I feel like I'm well off on that feature, nigga pay me. Big old chopper, knock his head off.
Nah, you killed this shit.
Crazy, we still trapping out that basement, bro, still wrapping up them babies. And they say I make music like I already made it. Got this effing in my Louis, he get cracked if he faking. Oh, you ain't sell no drug, this ain't no trap, this is vacant. Oh, he is not the plug, oh, got the racks, he just faking. Yeah, I just went caught me a coupe, 21 my vehicle. Chopper flash, you see me, then you don't, we playing peekaboo. That nigga a pussy, ain't no real nigga, I see through you. Niggas left me down bad at my lowest, bro, I needed you. Brody say he wanna turn your block up, bring them speakers through. If he diss the Riff, then we gon' pop up, bring them heaters through. Mad at my little bitch, cause why you changing, I believed in you. Ride around with my stick, cause shit get wicked, we gon' see it through. I had to go lose it all just to rebuild it again. I had to kick down the walls, I'm in them buildings again. Look what they did when I lost, they won't be here when I win. And she won't give me her draws, I left that bitch in the wind. And I see all fake friends, shit it is what it is. But I can't trip out no nigga, I'm trying to have some more kids. Yeah, that trap still over, that's still how I live. We got them packs in the sofa, we got them racks fucking cold, gang.
Nah, I rock with this shit, bro. Riff, my boy. Nah, this was a whole vibe, bro. I'm rocking with this. Shout out Riff, my boy. Keep grinding. You got hella talent, Brody. Definitely did not fall off. I don't know who's saying that. But yeah, shout out to Brody, Bands for Wok. You already know the vibes, man. I appreciate you heavy. And yeah. I think this is the song he wanted me to check out, right? This is the intro? No, this is Rebuild. Let me see the intro. Hold on. But either way, this song go hard, bro. I would have been, bro. Oh yeah, the Rebuild. Yeah, I think that was the intro. That shit go hard, Brody. I ain't gonna lie. That go hard, bro. Shout out to Brody, Bands for Wok. You already know the vibes. Good looks, Brody, for the suggestion and support. I definitely appreciate it heavy. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.